Start. This court, after reserving the judgment, has given an anxious consideration to the final draft of the scheme of management as well as the reasons in support thereof. The court is of the considered opinion that the scheme of management formulated and placed on record is wisely designed to serve the purpose of public, charitable, and religious trust. As such, the scheme of management flagged as Annexure F is approved and substituted in supersession of the scheme embodied in the judgment reported in AIR 1920. To the above extent, particularly what is extracted under Part A herein above, the judgment reported in AIR 1920 shall stand modified. It is ordered accordingly. It is also clarified that any future dispute in relation to the management of the trust shall be settled, keeping in view the provisions of the scheme of management finalized in terms of this judgment. This court has already taken note of the composition of 5-member committee and the advisory committee. However, in order to streamline the administration of the trust as per the Aliganj Trust Scheme of Management approved and substituted above, the court proceeds to nominate a 3-member committee comprising Honorable Mr. Justice Kamleshwar Nath, Honorable Mr. Justice S.V.S. Rathod, and Honorable Mr. Justice Rekha Dikshit, for drawing a list of 11 trustees from amongst the respectable Hindus living in Lucknow who shall occupy each of the offices specified in the scheme of management. It shall also be open to the 3-member committee to nominate any of the eligible persons from amongst the 2 committees mentioned above. A copy of the scheme of management flagged Annexure F shall be sent to the 3-member committee by Senior Registrar of this court for necessary guidance. The list of 11 trustees drawn and finalized by the 3-member committee against each office shall be deemed to be the initial legitimate body for taking over the management of the trust from the specified day mentioned hereinafter. The 3-member committee is requested to finalize the list of trustees named against each office as well as the scheme of management flagged as Annexure F shall be forwarded to the district judge by the senior registrar of this court within a period of 2 weeks from the date of receipt of the list of trustees from the 3-member committee. The district judge Lucknow shall notify on the notice board of the trust the entire Aliganj Trust Scheme of Management inclusive of the list of trustees within 6 weeks from the date of its receipt. The interim 5-member executive committee shall hand over complete charge of the record and properties movable or immovable to the committee constituted above within a period of 3 months from the date of publication of the management scheme flagged as Annexure F inclusive of the list of trustees, the account of all the income, donation and expenditure incurred by the trust from the date of this judgment up to the date of handing over charge shall also be accounted for and intimated to the district judge Lucknow every month by the interim 5-member committee. The district judge shall ensure compliance of this order within a period of 3 months from the date of publication of scheme flagged as Annexure F along with the list of trustees nominated against each office. Any order passed by the district court below or any subordinate court in relation to the management and administration of Aliganj Trust is hereby declared null and void, and the present petition is accordingly allowed.